In our previous video, we covered AI content writing tools, which can create high-quality written content for you at the click of a button. In this video, we're taking it a step further and discussing how you can use this AI written content to make money, essentially creating an automated passive source of income. Of course, as a disclaimer, you should always review your AI content before posting it anywhere. They're not always foolproof, which means you should quickly check each one for quality, readability, and plagiarism. But once that's done, here's how you can turn content into cash. Creating a blog. Monetizing a blog is as simple as signing up for a WordPress account, identifying a niche, and creating regularly updated content covering that topic. In this case, that's made way easier by using automated software to create all of the content for you. With the content locked down, all you need to do is tap into affiliate programs or run ads on your site through Google AdSense. One easy way to do this is by using Amazon's affiliate program. For more information on how to get started as an Amazon affiliate marketer, check out our video on the same subject. But in short, this program involves putting links to Amazon products on your website, and whenever someone purchases one, you earn a commission from Amazon. Or if you have a unique product in mind, you can sell digital or physical products directly to your audience for even higher profit margins. Freelance writing. This one requires a bit more caution. In principle, it wouldn't be that difficult to use AI content writing software to assist you in content creation while working for clients through platforms like freelancer.com, TextBroker, or even Fiverr. And again, if you choose to go this route, keep in mind that AI-generated content might not always be grammatically correct. On top of that, clients are normally looking for high-quality work when outsourcing their content to freelancers. You'd be wise to use AI as merely one of your tools in your arsenal rather than relying on it entirely to produce content for clients. If clients aren't satisfied by the quality of your work and you submit it, you could quickly find yourself blacklisted from these sites as your reviews and ratings drop. Start a YouTube channel. Similar to starting a monetized blog, you can use AI content writing tools to generate scripts for monetized YouTube videos. With these scripts, you can either hire a freelancer voiceover artist or use automated text-to-speech tools, such as the ones offered by wellsaidlabs.com, to get a voice in your videos. Obviously, scripting and voiceovers are only two components of what makes a decent YouTube video that'll generate views. You'll also need to provide visuals to keep your audience entertained and engaged. Once again, however, all of this can be automated just as easily. By hiring video editors and graphic artists on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you can quickly produce high-quality video content that will supplement your voiceover audio track. Lucky for you, if you feel like going this route, we've already covered some of the best automated YouTube channel ideas that you can get started with. Check out that video here, and we'll see you in the next one.